In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite running on an integrated GPU. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be really annoying whenever you're trying to play Fortnite. Let's say you have two graphics cards in your PC and it's using the wrong one. For example, it's using the integrated graphics card, which are never ever powerful, and you want to use like the other one, which is like obviously going to be more powerful for you, so you can get high frame rates like 360 fps or even more. So what you want to do is firstly go out of Fortnite and then wait for it yourself to go on the desktop like so, and then right click, go over to show more options, and then go over to the NVIDIA control panel like so, and just wait for that to open up. Now, once you open it up, it's going to look something like this. Then go to manage 3D settings like so. And now from here, all you got to do is scroll down and then you're going to see OpenGL rendering GPU. So you want to force it to be the 4090. What you want to do is click on that. Instead of auto select, make sure it's on your graphics card, the one that you want. And then once it is, all you got to do is press apply on the bottom. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out other Fortnite Chapter 7 videos.